Hello, everyone. This is your girl Pauline from My Crafting Hut. Today is Saturday, and I am getting ready to head out to. I'm trying to go to the Bath and Body Works outlet, but then it started raining, and thundering. So I sat down and decided to wait and see how the weather goes because I do not like driving in the rain. So I, I said all that to say I hope everyone has a wonderful, blessed weekend. I am going to try and get out later on, but in the meantime, I decided to come on and do this concept here. I had this basket here for, let me stand up so you can see. I had this basket here for almost a year, and I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with it. So hold on a second. Let me try and fix the lighting here because it's too bright. Give me a minute. Okay, I think that's better. So yeah, so I'm working with this basket. I stuffed it already with a box and some paper filling in. And the blanket that I'm working with is one of these blankets that I got from Walmart last year around this time. And so I'm going to go ahead and work with this. So I'm also going to use some Dove that I got from Ollie's. Got the hand wash from Ollie's. I have here Dollar Tree. And these are all Dollar Tree products except for the container. But this lighting. Yeah. So I put these products in here and I'm going to use this as part of the concept. I also have this here that I'm going to use. So let's go ahead and get started, y'all. So for all my subscribers, I thank you for supporting me. For my new subscribers, all subscribers, I really appreciate you. For if you're visiting my channel for the first time, I hope that you would like what you're seeing and that you would subscribe to my channel. If you're and that you would like, comment, and share my video. I thank everyone for taking the time to stop by. So let's go ahead. As you see, I folded the blanket already. I used a box in here as for support. Let me show you what kind of box that I use. I used I use one of these empty boxes, but it's a little bit bigger than that. But yeah, so and I put the blanket all the way. This is all the way in the bottom, so it's very sturdy. It's not going anywhere. And then I used my tag gun to just keep it together so it won't flop on either side. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to place my items in. Well, first, Let's do this. Yeah, I have a problem, an issue with this right here. I got this from Hobby Lobby for, and this is not the price. This was the sale price, and then it went down um, a few more dollars. So I think I paid like $2 or dollar something, some change. I don't know. I don't remember. But the issue with this is that you can't get this price tag off. I have tried everything. I have opened it up. Well, not this one, because once you open it and you try peeling that price tag off, then the picture is ruined. So yeah, so I have a problem with that. And they also have it on the back here. Wish I can take this off because I can cut around that. But I figured, what the heck? Why do that? Why go through all that to remove this when I cannot remove this? So I said I'm going to use it anyways because the the picture in here is pretty. I love it. But they can take this picture out because the price tag is stuck on there. And they can put any picture in here that they want to. So yeah, so I'm not going to worry about taking the price off. I got about 5 of these, and I'm going to use them all just the way they are. Yeah. So with that being said, I'm going to put this in here this way, and that way the price wouldn't be sticking up in the air. That way the price would be discussed. So yeah. And then I'm going to use my, close this up a little more. So yeah, so I want to get out and do my rounds this morning, so I can get back in time for the DC8 challenge. So hopefully I can do that so I can go live with everyone, or I'll just have to watch the replay later on today when I return. But yeah, so I'm going to place this here, and I'm not going to glue it down yet because I'm still thinking about this picture here. I might have to take something out. All these are hand wash that we're going to place right there. Plus the tumbler from Dollar Tree. I also have the Dove body wash. And the reason I'm using that color, I don't have any red, but this color blends in with the picture. So it blends right in. So yeah. So I have where is it? I had one more thing to put in there. Okay. So I also have this here. This little book is sealed, so I don't want to open it, but it has inspirational um quotes in there. Each page, double-sided, has inspirational quotes. I was able to view one in the store. So, yeah. So, we're going to use this, and I'm going to place it right there. Let's see. And I do want to use some flowers. Let's see. But yeah, so we're going to put some flowers here. And I'm going to cut the stems of these later on when I decide to glue everything in place. But yeah, right there. To help break up some of to help blend in with the colors that I have, I'm going to use some red and white thread. Yes, I still don't like the way this light is shining here. Let's see. Give me one. Okay, I brought the basket a little closer for a better view. Hopefully you can see this better this way. So yeah, so going to use my red and white thread. Yeah, so that's the concept, y'all. So to add to the basket, I'm thinking that I would put this on front of the basket. Tell me what you think, y'all. So in that way, they can know exactly what this blanket is all about because it's a family blanket. Um, and it has the pockets for you can use for your cell phones, etc., whatever you want to put in there. So I think this would help hopefully sell this basket if they know exactly what this blanket is right here. But yeah, so I'm thinking about doing that. I also thought about putting it there, putting it there. Oh, no. Let's see, maybe putting it back here. We'll see. Putting it back there and taping it to. Tell me what y'all think about this because I'm really not sure which would be best. So go ahead and help me out. Tell me what would y'all do with this here, or would y'all just take it and just totally just all put it all the way down there, and when they open the basket, then they'll see in there exactly what type of blanket it is. So I'm going to leave this out. Like I said, I'm not going to wrap this. I'm not going to glue it down or anything yet because I still want to, I still haven't decided quite about this. I love it, but I don't like the way the price is stuck on it. I don't, yeah, it's hard to remove the price. So that is what I'm working with right now. And this is the bow that I'm going to use. Going to use, see. Yeah, so this is the bow that I'm going to adjust that. Yeah, this is the bow that I'm going to use. And then I'm going to shrink wrap this. So yeah, so this is the concept, y'all. Tell me what you think. Okay. Well, there you go. Misbehaving. Get on up here. Behave yourself. Stay right there. Okay. So yeah, I like it. I love it. But I'm confused as to what I should do with this and debating the picture. So yeah. So thank you for watching. And it looks like, well, it's, I don't know if we're supposed to have all day rain, but right now it's quiet outside. So I am going to attempt to make this, uh, according to my GPS, it says 45 minutes. So from where I am to the Bath and Body Works outlet. So I'm going to try and make it out there and see if I can get some of those great deals that Boss Lady Felicia and others have been talking about. So let me send her the voicemail. So yeah, so again, thank you for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful, blessed weekend. Until my next video, see ya.